How's it going? My name is Jason Scott. I'm an undergraduate at the education program at the University of Texas at Tyler. The purpose of this video is to show how technology can be used to support students' learning. In this case, I'm going to use a Geoboard app you can get on the App Store. Anyways, you can see it's right here, the Geoboard. It's by the Math Learning Center. I'm going to click on that. I'm using a program called Reflector to get my iPad up onto the screen and Camtasia to do the screencasting or the recording. My voice sounds a little bit goofy, but I'll show you a picture right here. This airborne gummies are awesome. I've been sick all week and started taking these yesterday, and I feel 100 times better even if my voice doesn't show it. So I'll exit out of that. Just figured I'd share it. Anyways, I am going to show how a geoboard on an iPad can be used to support the learning of students when they're working with symmetry of congruent shapes, and we're going to make lines of symmetry on them. I'm going to start by making a shape, for example. So you just take and you drag these rubber bands and you can manipulate them however you want. So there we have it. There's a shape. Now, does it have a line of symmetry? I don't know. Let's take a purple rubber band. Let's go right down the middle. Are those the exact same on either side? I don't think so. Maybe if I came up here and did this, then yes, if you were to fold the right side over onto the left side, you would see that they match equally. So this does not have a line of symmetry, however this does. This app is good because you can manipulate it freely. Students can create their own shapes. We're looking for reflections, equal sides. And a line of symmetry is basically an imaginary line on a two-dimensional figure that when you fold it, it produces two halves that match identically. In this case, both halves match identically. I can keep manipulating it as such. And notice when I do to one side, I do the exact same on the other side. There are several examples. The standard I'm using says create two-dimensional figures with lines of symmetry using concrete models and technology. This technology I'm using is Geoboards by the Math Learning Center. The concrete model is the rubber bands and how you can manipulate them. You can also take this rubber band and look here. Are those equal or proportional on both sides? No, they aren't, so we have to start all over. You can start by drawing a line anywhere. Maybe one student can create a shape here, and the other student needs to do the same. It needs to look identical on the other side. So if they're green, for example, they start here, they go there. Well, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3 on the left side, so I take my green. Sorry. Okay. Grab it in the middle. You see how I just touch and grab to the middle, so I'm 3 up. And now I need to go all the way up to, I think, there. Are they identical? Yes, they are. If I were to take a piece of paper and then draw this and then draw this, and if I were to cut it out along its edges, along that middle part where the purple is, I would be able to fold it and both sides are identical. Again, you can manipulate it all you want. You can have fun with it. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. There you go. There is a video showing lines of symmetry with Geoboards by Math Learning Center. My name is Jason Scott at the University of Texas at Tyler. Thanks.